Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add bots to your Discord server. So first go to Discord server where you want to add the bot. Bots can do many things like moderate your server, add welcome messages, or display member accounts. To find bots, you need to click on the server name in the top of the screen. Then select app directory option that is below the create event. Go ahead and select it. And this is like a bot store where you can browse different bots. You can filter bots by categories such as moderation or ticket tool. For this example, let's go ahead and add Carl bot. Search for Carl bot by using the search bar in the top right. Then select the bot that you want to add to your server. Then select add app. Select continue and also select your server and select continue. Select authorize. And after confirming that you're human, the bot will be added to your server. You can then see it listed on the left side of your server, and to use the bot, you can type / to access its commands. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.